Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today's DIY is beetroot face mask for glowing skin. To achieve spotless clear skin, and it makes your skin glow. Let's get started. Beetroot is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that can rejuvenate your skin. Take 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder. Glycerin leaves your skin soft and supple with natural moisture. Add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Honey is not only moisturizing but also has antibacterial properties. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Aloe vera is a must in every skincare. It is a skin protector. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your skin from damage. Adding 2 vitamin E capsules. Mix everything well until you get a smooth consistency. Apply the mixture on face and neck. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes to let the nutrients sink in and work their magic. Use this mask once or twice in a week to see the results. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.